Hi, everyone, welcome to my channel again. Today, I am going to share my first video of hypothesis testing. Before watching, please like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Your support will encourage me to produce more videos related to Statistic, Lean Six Sigma and operation management. The first step of every statistical analysis is to determine whether the data that you are dealing with is a population or a sample. The population is the totality of items while sample is a subset of the population or portion of the whole and, if properly taken, is representative of the whole. What is inference statistic? The statistical inference process involves the use of a known sample statistic to arrive at a judgment about an unknown population parameter. If a researcher gathers data from a sample and uses the statistics generated to reach conclusions about the population from which the sample was taken, the statistics are inferential statistics. The data gathered from the sample are used to infer something about a larger group. Application of inferential statistics. One application of inferential statistics is in pharmaceutical research. Some new drugs are expensive to produce, and therefore tests must be limited to small samples of patients. Utilizing inferential statistics, researchers can design experiments with small randomly selected samples of patients, and attempt to reach conclusions and make inferences about the population. What is hypothesis testing? Hypothesis testing is a method for testing a claim or hypothesis about a parameter in a population, using data measured in a sample. In this section, we describe the 4 steps of hypothesis testing. Step 1. Establish null and alternative hypothesis. Step 2. Set the level of significance for a test. Step 3. Compute the test statistic. Step 4. Make a decision using p-value. Step 1. Establish null and alternative.